Did you know that over 25 million tons of peaches are harvested globally each year, and only the best make it from the orchard to your plate or can? From delicate hand-picking at sunrise to high-tech sorting and canning, the journey of a peach is far more fascinating than it seems. In this video, we'll take you inside modern peach farms and processing factories to uncover how these juicy fruits are transformed into the fresh and canned products you know and love. The journey of a peach starts right when the peach trees begin to bloom. It all begins in January with pruning, a careful and essential job that continues through March. This process allows sunlight to reach deep into the tree canopy, supporting healthy growth and better fruit quality. After pruning, the next important step is thinning, usually done in April or May. The thinning process involves removing some of the flowers or young fruits so that the tree can focus its energy and nutrients on the ones that remain. Harvesting takes place over about 2 weeks, with several rounds of picking to ensure each fruit is gathered at peak ripeness. On hand-picking farms, workers start early in the cool morning, gently twisting each peach off the branch and placing it carefully into baskets to avoid bruising and maintain quality. The peaches are then arranged into baskets or bins, ensuring each fruit is gently placed to prevent any bruising or damage. At the collection site, freshly harvested peaches are sorted using a specialized scale system designed to weigh multiple fruits at once. The scale has several compartments where batches of peaches are placed. Once weighed, the peaches are automatically sorted into different compartments based on weight ranges. This ensures that peaches in each group are uniform in size and weight. The sorted peaches are then placed into bins or containers labeled by category for easy handling and delivered to the processing plants. As soon as the fresh peach bins arrive at the processing facility, they are either soaked or continuously rinsed under cold water for about 30 minutes. After that, the peaches are placed in cold storage rooms with stable temperatures to slow down the ripening process. Once the peaches enter the processing line, workers begin carefully inspecting them by hand. Their job is to remove any damaged, overripe, or spoiled fruit, as well as any foreign objects like twigs or leaves. After the initial sorting, the peaches are thoroughly washed using high-pressure spray nozzles and large water tanks. They go through multiple rounds of rinsing to remove any remaining dirt, pesticides, or debris. Next, the peaches are passed through grading and sizing machines equipped with cameras and touch-sensitive scales. These machines use advanced technology to assess the size, color, and quality of each peach, automatically sorting them into different categories based on their characteristics. Once the best peaches have been selected, they are carefully packed into boxes in a dedicated packing area. After packaging, the peaches are promptly transported to distributors and consumers who eagerly await fresh, high-quality fruit. A portion of the peaches is sent to be processed into canned sliced peaches, starting with several careful steps. First, the peaches are cut in half to remove the pit. Then, the halves are peeled, removing the skin to ensure a smooth texture in the final product. After peeling, the peaches are sliced into uniform pieces, typically in wedges or halves, depending on the desired end product. These peach slices are then placed into cans, where they are filled with syrup or other preserving liquids to help maintain their flavor and texture. Finally, the cans are sealed and processed through a heat treatment to ensure they are safely preserved for long-term storage. In some other processing facilities, peaches are turned into a variety of delicious canned products, such as peach cubes and peach jelly. The process begins with peeling and cutting the peaches into small, uniform cubes or other desired shapes. These pieces are then packed into cans. In addition to canned products, many factories also produce bottled and canned peach juice. The juice is poured into bottles or cans, sealed and labeled, ready to be shipped to stores for consumers to enjoy a refreshing taste of peach anytime. Peaches are known for their sweet, juicy flesh and fragrant aroma. They're rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sugars. Peaches are commonly enjoyed fresh as a snack, added to fruit salads, cake, or blended into smoothies.